You're listening to the Just Hyke Essentials Series, where movement, nature, and confidence come together. I'm your guide, Melanie Michalchuk, and these short episodes are here to help you build trail strength, stay safe, and reconnect with the healing power of the outdoors. Let's begin. Welcome to the very first episode of the Just Hyke Essentials Series. I'm your guide, Melanie Michalchuk, and I'm so glad you're here. Just Hyke began with a simple question. What if movement, nature, and confidence could all come together in a way that feels accessible, empowering, and deeply meaningful for women? What if hiking didn't have to be extreme? What if wellness didn't have to be complicated? What if strength didn't have to look a certain way? Just Hyke was built on the belief that the trail has something to offer everyone, no matter your age, your background, your fitness level, or where you're starting from. And that is what this series is all about. Small steps that help you feel strong, confident, prepared, and connected, both outdoors and with yourself. So let's begin this journey at the beginning. Just Hyke is more than a hiking brand. It's a philosophy, a way of approaching movement, health, and nature with intention and self-compassion. There are 3 pillars at the heart of Just Hyke. Nature-based wellness. Nature heals. It calms the nervous system, reduces stress, boosts resilience, and connects us with our own strength. When we step outside, our entire system shifts from overwhelm to clarity. Movement is empowerment. Movement is not punishment. Movement is how we wake up our confidence, our energy, and our sense of possibility. Hiking is simply walking, but in a way that nourishes our body and our soul. Safety and preparation. Women deserve to feel safe and capable outdoors. Trail safety isn't about fear. It's about empowerment. When you know what to carry and how to respond, you move with confidence instead of hesitation. Just Hyke blends all 3 of these: the science of nature, the freedom of movement, and the strength that comes from being prepared. My mission is simple: help women build the strength and confidence they need to fully experience the outdoors and themselves. I've seen firsthand how hiking transforms people. Women who felt unsure about rediscovering their courage. Women who doubted themselves, realizing they are stronger than they thought. Women who struggled with stress, finally feeling grounded and peaceful. And women reclaiming joy, connection, and purpose. Just Hyke is for every woman who has ever thought, I want to hike, but I don't know where to start. I want to feel strong again. I want to show up for myself. I want to feel confident outdoors. You belong here. You deserve this, and you are capable of so much more than you realize. Hiking is one of the simplest forms of movements, but it unlocks profound benefits. Here's why hiking is such a powerful tool for wellness. Hiking reconnects you to your body. You feel your breath, your pace, your hiking strength building one step at a time. Hiking reconnects you to nature. It gives you the space to breathe, reflect, and let go. Hiking reconnects you to possibility. Every trail teaches you something new about resilience, courage, and progress. No matter where you're starting, hiking means you are there and leads you forward gently. You don't need to be fast. You don't need to be fit. You don't need expensive gear. You need the willingness to take the first step. The Sidewalk to Summit approach. Just Hyke is built around my signature approach called Sidewalk to Summit. It means you start small, you start gently, you build strength over time, you celebrate each step, you grow with intention, not pressure. It's not about climbing actual mountains, unless you want to, but it's about climbing the mountains in everyday life. Your sidewalk is your starting point. Your summit is your next breakthrough, physical, emotional, or personal. Sidewalk to Summit meets you exactly where you are and guides you forward with confidence. Many women avoid hiking because it feels safe. Just Hyke changes that. I teach the essential items to carry, how to read a trail, what to do if something feels wrong, how to navigate, hydrate, and stay prepared. The mindset you need to stay aware and confident. This is empowerment. This is reclaiming your outdoor space. This is stepping into strength instead of fear. Tools like the Just Hyke Trailmate were created to support this mission, to give women something lightweight, simple, and empowering to carry on every adventure. What can you expect from this series? The Just Hyke Essentials Series walks you through everything you need to feel confident and capable outdoors, including the 5 hiking essentials, trail confidence and awareness, how nature calms the nervous system, how to start hiking at any age or fitness level, leave no trace principles, building trail strength from zero, safety, mindset, and movement. Each episode is short, simple, and actionable because I want you to get outside and not get overwhelmed. Thank you for joining me on this first episode. Just Hyke is more than hiking. It's about showing up for yourself, finding your strength, and reclaiming your connection with nature. If you're ready to take the next step, visit justhyke.com to explore beginner resources, safety tools, movement guides, and my book, Sidewalk to Summit. I'm happy you are here, and I can't wait to walk this path with you. See you in the next episode. Thanks again for listening to the Just Hyke Essentials Series. You can find more resources and support at justhyke.com. Keep moving, keep showing up, and see you in the next episode.